Elise Hoson marks McCoy De Leon's birthday with sweet greetings. McCoy De Leon was celebrated his 27th birthday on Sunday, February 20. In an Instagram post, Elise expressed how grateful she is to have McCoy in her life as she posted a sweet snap of them together. Happy birthday my best friend, my partner, my love. I'm happy to be discovering life and more with you. Thank you for all that you do and all that you are, her partner Elise said. She then promised to always love McCoy. I love you. Araw-araw kitang mamahalin, dagdag pa ni Elise. Elise and McCoy met during their stints as housemates on the reality show Pinoy Big Brother, Lucky Season 7 in 2016. In October last year, the couple made headlines after they introduced their daughter, Felice Mackenzie, to the public. McCoy said that though he and Elise are already talking about marriage, they are not in a rush to get married. Lagi naming pinag-uusapan ni Elise yan, pero lagi naming binabanggit sa sarili namin na dapat maging praktikal lang kami. Siyempre, di rin biro ang mga anak lalo na ngayon pandemya, kailangang mag-ipon, he said. Yung kasal, siguro soon, wala namang problema doon. Darating din naman tayo doon. Kailangan lang siguro talaga naming paghandaan yon. Saka di naman ako ang sasagot, ako naman ang magtatanong kasi ako yung magpo-propose, he added. McCoy and Elise also spent their vacation in Tanay Rizal with their baby Felice. Elise also shares some photos of Felice with the caption of, "The beautiful combination of Maclis."